Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about harvest auger maintenance. So we're middle of July, harvest is going to be coming along fast here in the next month and a half. So what we'd like you to do is pull your auger up in front of your shop or in your bin yard, whatever. Open up the covers, check your gearboxes all for oil. You want to go onto your hopper and you want to check your drive chains, check your bearings, grease all that stuff, especially check the U-joint where the transition happens. A lot of times that U-joint either comes loose, so you need to tighten it up or put a new key in there or maybe even replace it. Those are just places that are going to cause you problems at harvest time, and of course you don't want $1 million combines stopping because of bottlenecks on your grain auger. Last thing, check your winch. A lot of the newer ones have a worm gearbox on there, but the older ones, they've got a transition point between the motor and the winch itself that screws on there, and a lot of times those fail. So maybe have a quick look at the welds. A lot of time the welds break, and then again, you're trying to move the auger and you're held up for a $20 part. So have a look at that kind of stuff. Change bearings where you need to, change your chains, and it'll just make for a trouble-free and stress-free harvest. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.